The best part about trading with the desk is that you can trade from anywhere, phone, laptop, or desktop. It's the same platform on all of them. Nothing to download, nothing to install, no separate platform login to keep track of, and no outdated software from 2009. You trade straight from the web on built-in TradingView charts, the platform you already know and love. Let me walk you through it. From your dashboard, hit Open the Terminal. Charts, order tickets, positions, all in one screen. The charts are the ones you already have muscle memory for. Your time frames, your drawing tools, your indicators, exactly where you expect them. Place orders right from the panel. Pick your symbol, set your size, buy or sell, manage the positions live. Your equity, open P&L, and during a funded session, your projected quality score and share, all updated in real time. What can you trade? The platform symbol list covers major markets including crypto, forex, commodities, indices, metals, and energy, with the full reference in the help center, and it's growing. Every symbol trades during the market hours, shown right in the platform. 3 orientation tips. 1. Your dashboard nav is your map. Funded sessions, qualification sessions, the floor for rooms, chart call, your wallet, your career, certificates, profile. 2. Everything you do on the free account counts. Your quality score is already tracking before you ever spend $1, and it is held near a neutral baseline until you have enough trades to score fairly. So, a few early mistakes cannot bury you. 3. The terminal is identical on free funded accounts, so every hour on the free 10K is practice for the funded version. Platform down. Proof next. Let me show you the public wall where every payout on this platform is recorded.